Lo, kawawa naman. But, did you tell them that it's all set up? Alam ng mga ano na set up lang yun?
Hindi mo
Ay, nanala, hindi na.
Baka mamaya po.
Kaloka. Sorry to. It happened. Diba? How old is your husband?
42.
42. Kawawa naman yung asawa mo. Sana. Oh, just go. What's your dream in life?
Pagtapos kami pag-aaral yung anak.
Oo. That's the if you are a mother, you have to, all you pray is for your child. Like, I don't want anything. I hope my child can give what they want and they don't have to suffer like you, how you suffer in life, right? I hope they study well, because look at how they treated by their stepmom in Zambales. And try to get barangay and get someone to talk to, tell them what's going on by abusing your child. That's not good.
Kung meron lang talaga, sabi ko nga kung meron lang talaga akong
Tell your child that go to barangay so they can file abusing, and that's really bad for their father.
Mahirap
don't
po
really
kasi
care.
hanapan ako ng sapat na ebidensya.
Ko, anak mo naman kasi nagsabi nun eh.
Yeah.
Their father really don't care. They think his child is lying. It's because he's in love with the... How old is a woman? You don't know? To the father of their kids, and it has another bitch, and the bitch is trying to hurt your child. Yeah, we'll see you in barangay if you're trying to hurt my kids. My God. Diba? Ang sama naman kasi ugali nun.
Sabi ko nga, hindi ko naman sinasaktan tapos sinasaktan nila.
She don't have right to abuse your... What their father know about it? That
Sila naniniwala sa mga
the father doesn't believe their own child?